Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. On my marital spirit today, they call David Einstein, maybe one of our super football journalists. Don't come outside and let us know. Say OG Nice, they in advanced talks with Arsenal for Nicolas Pepe. Say Arsenal wants OG Nice won't sign the guy. Say they're very serious. And the deals of the loan deal now with an option to buy. So the talk say after the 1 year loan stint, OG Nice go pay £15 million with add-ons. Say at the end of the day, if they add the add-ons, everything will come total £22 million. That is what they are looking at. OG Nice are ready and willing to pay that amount of money. So for us now, you know, pay them. Just won't pursue the guy, maybe just go, because what is 22? What is £15 million for somebody who will buy £72 million? How many years he play for Arsenal? How many goals did this score? Like in value, don't fall down like a pack of cards. We did not buy him for his real value. They just extort us. And blessing now, Ivan Kashem will be the Arsenal CEO. Now he made that mistake when they buy this Nicolas Pepe. Well, it is what it is. We need to create space for that right flank. At least if he comes, then we go this serious with our Pedro Neto, Yereme Pino, Cody Gakpo, or whoever. We don't want to put for that right wing. So maybe just come on first. Let's watch us since they go. So for the media setting, where Arsenal they call the interview Arteta for ahead of the match where they go play against Bournemouth. So they're going to ask Baba about injury updates. So Arteta can talk say everybody is 100% fit. Nobody's left out. The only person we say gets injured, we will say they look say okay, maybe we don't go feel do without that for now. Like Reece Nelson, he get a lengthy injury. He go dey outside for some months. So Reece Nelson no dey, but people like maybe Tomiyasu, Fabio Vieira, and Smith Rowe, everybody is available for selection. That is what Arteta said, and he did very good. Even though the talk say still yet as everybody there available, not everybody go play. But once we go assure in players, we say you will have your time this season. Say for now, we play once a week. Once we don't enter September now, we see they will do the draws for the Europa League. The first matches will come for September. By then we'll call it play like 2 matches per week or thereabouts. So maybe that kind of Thursday, Sunday, that kind of way. So everybody is going to get involved. Then once you perform and show me what you can do in the training, you must get involved. So everybody will get a chance. And once you get a chance, make sure you take it. So it be. At the same time, Arteta call the talk say make we know they carried away. We say we don't play our first 2 games to win. Like everybody is optimistic for the season. That is fine and good. But back on the explain say the season is still long. EPL is a marathon and not a sprint. So many games will still come. So more they take them 1 game at a time. 1 game at a time. More no run faster than our shadow you get. More no go get overconfident. Like what say Gary they talk. So Gary they talk say if we dey overconfident, if you're gonna lose like you get, someone just calm down. No, just be very humble. Take a game at a time, because I don't check our calendar. Normal. Under every good normal circumstances. Our first 10 games, wipe anybody, get, for overconfidence. We no go affect us. We just watch that. Still yet, we're going to hear say Arsenal don't open talks with Martinelli to sign a new contract, but they won't reward the guy, increase the salary he gets. So they're going to be very happy, because he's one of the top performers of Arsenal FC. Imagine a new season where we say Martinelli don't get like assists, don't get like 2 goals, first 2 games. Bournemouth again, we say they don't go relegation, come back, they'll be share day. So normal, they go their away ground. Supposed to let them know say, now EPL is nothing, I know the championship again. Give them the proper welcome, not them back, normal level. Get. So we are expecting to collect our 3 points there. At least make it just score like 2 more goals for there. They can fall when they don't score. Martinelli said, not them, collect your own. Fabio Vieira, like this season, like us they highly optimistic. Like I'm super happy. Ronaldinho will be Brazilian legend. Don't come outside for one interview with the interviewer for the Mirror. So he gonna explain waiting in Brazilian contingent with the Arsenal will see for this season. So back on top say with the people we Arsenal don't sign already, the new signings, the Arsenal is going to break into the top 4. And not just the top 4, say Arsenal can also win the league. They are outsiders. Even though you have a Man City and Liverpool who are the favorites, but in football anything can happen. And so Baba talk cannot be say at the quota in football anything can happen. Say Arsenal can win the league because with Gabriel Jesus there, when he did for Man City was not this happy when he did for Arsenal, because over at Man City for all the years when they there. He was used as not the number one but the number two man. He was brought as a deputy for Aguero. Aguero is a legend now, nobody can bench him. Aguero they play. Even when Aguero can't go, Man City can still favor first 9 role instead of deploying Jesus as the focal point. See, that is why when you don't come ask Nana, the coach love him, fans love him, teammates respect him. Like, he's the focal point. People depend on him. Come on, now he's shining, he's happy, he's playing football with a smile, scoring goals are plenty. So what else are you looking for? So the guy will prove a lot. Like, he has a lot to prove this season, because most people don't write him off. They feel say the guy has surplus to requirement and ship back at they say, oh, they buy Man City reject. They don't know, say most of all those Man City reject, they are very unhappy and they are world class players because Guardiola know they buy rubbish. Okay? So now if you say him don't come here, Zinchenko don't come here, even though he's talking to the Brazilian, but at least it's a top quality we got. That's part of the new signing. So Ronaldinho they talk. So I supported to Baba the talk, but that winning the league, that DMA I did skeptical. But for top 4, that one Shola, Maka. Even the Times, so if you're one of our monitoring spirit, don't come outside and let us know, say Pepe deal to OG they very close, you get. So this one they support the team where David Onstein they talk say OG and Arsenal they in advanced negotiation. You know, say before OG one sign Pepe, they constantly ask Manchester United about Amand Traore, so Amand Diallo. So that one black say they don't choose that one again. Nah, Pepe they won't go for. I know say Pepe self he get a reputation for the French Ligue 1. Pepe they with Lille, even Lille we have win league one time. So Lille know the small thing that Pepe carry them dance now. What's he perform for Lille? That's why we go buy him now. The guy didn't understand the League 1, but when it comes to the EPL, I'll flop at this thing. Graham Potter will be this Brighton coach. Don't come as I call it. Talk about Moses Caicedo. So Babakon talk say the guy they very happy at Brighton, and he know they push for any move. So since you know they push for move, then you notice they will entertain any offers at the moment, because if they say they want seller, who they will come use as a defensive midfield, because they've already sold Bissouma to Tottenham Hotspur. That is why that one said one step up in game. So they say they want seller. So then we can go to find a replacement at the moment. Like I need to say Brighton said they're very stingy and strict when they are selling. They'll tell you 50 million, take it or leave it. So can Arsenal spend 50 million or above for that kind of player? That's another question we have to ask. I'm still on the media set, so I think when they talk about Bakuinhos, okay, they ask and say, what's be this guy future? You want to sell him out on loan? You want to use him? Go leave him in the play with the under 21. What's your plan? So Babakon say they don't come out from the under 21 duty because they notice say in they above their level, like don't they score anyhow, they carry them run, they dribble them anyhow, they make assists, they no be their level in the, so they don't promote and enter the senior team training again. So I think that they talk say they will use them this season. They don't want to let them go out on loan. So they will integrate them small because he's just 19. He's still there in the same age gap of them, Petro, Saka, at the same level all of them did. And the guy get muscle mass, build gun, guy, pace, did there, speed, shoots, score, everything, he did there. The guy that senior man for Sao Paulo made them not forget. So now every say we don't get them. I don't know that on the Martinelli side they go deploy him, I mean on Saka side they go deploy him. Let's just be watching. At the same time, because they ask Ateta about the outgoings, those where they go out, so Alpha, what did they sub? So Babakon don't say like internal matters, so they see the reason now. All those guys, Bellerin, all those guys instrument announced, they are still working on it. You can see from now to September 1, there will be outgoings and there will be incomings. Normal. Say anything can happen, movements will share. So we just watch as they go. My own prayer they say, all these guys when they come out, they block space for new people who want to enter. So if they don't come out with a zero to know who will bring back in. Mark Travers will be Bournemouth keeper. Don't come and second the praise Aaron Ramsdale for a heroic rise in football. Not long ago, this guy go relegation with this Bournemouth where this is so. He go relegation with Bournemouth, he go relegation with Sheffield United. So the guy just they happy say a keeper who don't go relegation 2 times for a career still end up at Arsenal. Can't challenge Arsenal number 1. Come on that one. Now they challenge England number 1. They try to usurp that one. Come on man. Put your respect on the guy's name, I beg. Put some respect there. The guy is very good. And say sometimes when Arsenal know they on duty, like Arsenal know they play, say Ramsey they come 1 month, just want to sit down, watch their game, and just clap for the guy. Say the guy, say for that 1 month, the guy is like a hero. It's a cult hero for them because they remember the things when you do for them. Even though when they go relegation, they pull some kind of mad saves. Just they praise the guy, Sha. It is with deep regrets that we announce the passing of our head guardsman, where they call Steve Braddock. The guy died for August 19, 2022. Now this month, now he just died. Well, they pray for his soul. Make you rest in peace. Now yesterday he died, so they pray for his soul. May rest in peace. May Baba God collect time and forgive his sins. So in Jesus' name and inshallah. For those who don't understand what the groundsman mean, now people they maintain the ground for Arsenal. They go, they take care of the grass, take care of everywhere, the parks, not just the recreational center, and then they control all the ground, make sure everywhere they neat, tidy, the grass they cut short, everything just now. Then they maintain things, and then be the head, Lori Oko number one, and they control everything. So well, they pray may God accept him so. Manchester United don't sign Casemiro from Real Madrid for 60 million euros. You get. So now 4-year deal. Now the guy's a 30-year-old. For me, and it sounds like a panic buy. He just wants to sign somebody, so he's going to be joining a Varane and a Ronaldo. That's never know that Ronaldo will go. And how this news take their significance to us? We say Manchester United were also chasing Yuri Tillemans. So for them to not get Yuri Tillemans, which would have been a cheaper option, and somebody who is very young, that makes Yuri Tillemans no agree accept their own deal, because they spoke to him, they spoke to the club. He no agree good there, which means now only us they in the running for Yuri Tillemans. Chelsea are not going for him, Man City are not going for him, Liverpool are not going. Only us that did there, which means there is something going on the ground that we don't really know about. Don't forget that he has already accepted personal terms with Arsenal. So in destination now Arsenal will be. So maybe with Arsenal don't get on the ground talk say, don't worry, by January we will sign pre-contract talks. We'll just enter here for free. And never know. Me, I just speculate for that one. But my always say, man, they look inside again. So let's just be watching as things are going. The Mirror, the comments, they let us know, say Arsenal, they work towards signing 4 players before September 1. Whether this thing will materialize, we never really know. We just be very, very optimistic, say make it happen like that. Make Arsenal sign 4 players. It will make sense. But I don't think that is happening, because I dey check the teams who don't sign the highest player. You don't go believe say Nottingham Forest sign like 16 players in one transfer window. 16. Tottenham Hotspur sign 7. They won't sign their 8 now. Well, I think there are only 5 who don't sign. So we still need to sign more. We never sign finish, because people they prepare. And why people are signing this much is because the substitution allows you to make 5 player substitution. So at least you go get plenty Benjamin players. It will be easy for you to bring in players. Imagine changing up to 5 players in one match. A big plus for those who get large squad. That is why squad depth is very, very important. But the cocoa is at the end of the day, I see 25 players to go register. So okay, no problem. Our Paul Messi himself don't come outside. Can you predict the match between Bournemouth and Arsenal? So we can talk say for this match, saying they see Arsenal winning 3-1, because Arsenal have enough firepower to fire this Bournemouth, even though they play for their home, which is the Vitality Stadium. But Arsenal will go there and get the 3 points. That's what it's saying. So you say what will be your own prediction? Because me for this match, I will see like 3-0. The Brazil scoring 2 goals, get and Saka busting 1. That's what me I did this year. I'm going to enter match of the day, Bournemouth versus Arsenal. Today, Bournemouth will host Arsenal for the Vitality Stadium. I'm going to run check their head to head. For the last 5 games for Vitality Stadium, Arsenal draw 2, lose 2, and win 1. But the last 2 seasons, so we play here last, we draw 1-1 for year. With no notable injury concern, Arsenal would like to get 3 wins in 3 games. Again, this one will be the opposite of what happened last season. We'll get 3 losses in our first 3 games. So I will be very happy. So my dear football lovers, you see this match like this, keep an open mind. We're supposed to knock this on a good day. On paper, we are better than them 100%. So we're supposed to go there filled with confidence and knock this people like say tomorrow. But you know, say on football, for football, like 11-11, don't be on paper they play. So anyhow today match go, we'll come out live, we'll give you the pre-match analysis, first half analysis and full-time analysis when the match will start. For Nigerian time, the match at 5:30, now it will start. I don't know for your country which time they will play. So if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.